Hey, what's up guys, TechVid Kid here, and today we are going to be unboxing, or should I say re-unboxing, the iPhone XS Max. So let's get into it right after the intro. Okay, so now that we're back, let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? So, first off, let's go ahead and lift off the lid. And here we can see the designed by Apple in California little booklet thing. Let's go ahead and take a look at everything that's in here. So here, if we can set aside the phone, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Here we have our hello instruction guide, basically the quick start guide, our SIM eject tool, this AT&T thing, it's already been punched out, the iPhone the warranty information, the user guide basically, and some Apple stickers. Let's go ahead and set this stuff all back inside of the box. And we'll also go ahead and put this AT&T thing back in there. Let's go ahead and continue to the phone. Go ahead and lift it up and out of the packaging. Here we can see the phone itself in its beautiful glory. And if we look in here, we have our power brick, which is no longer included in modern Apple products, and our wired earbuds that have the lightning port on them, since the iPhone 8 and above don't have headphone jack. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and switch back cameras. So yeah guys, let's basically go ahead and peel off the cover. So here we have a little tab, and we can go ahead and peel it off. Nice. And here, let's go ahead and boot it up. By the way guys, this is my phone. My iPhone 6S is right here, and it's being upgraded. Yesterday, which was May the 30th, was the last day that, was the last full day that I used my iPhone 6S. Today is technically the last day because I'm going to be using it to transfer to this new phone. But apart from that, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the setup process now. So let's go ahead and swipe up. Here we can see it's asking us the language. How do I get there? So let's go ahead and hit English. Select your country or region, United States. Quick start. So basically what we're going to do is bring my current phone next to this one, and go ahead and and we'll go ahead and hit the power button. Okay, never mind, that's just, I was gonna slide these two together so that I would press this power button, but oh well. Yep, there we go. By the way, this is a jailbreak mod. I am not actually running iOS 5 on this thing still. Well, great, I just screwed something up while changing the wallpaper. Now it removed my iOS 12 background that I've had since I got this phone. Unlock to continue. Let's use Touch ID. Continue. And it's connecting. Okay, so what we have to do now is, there is an image here. What we have to do is get our phone and hold it. Oh, there. So now, finish on new iPhone. Keep the two phones near each other And it's waiting for my other iPhone. Passcode of the other one. Let me quickly type that in off camera. It will take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Now let's go ahead and set this back here. Okay, so 25 minutes. This is gonna take a while. Keep your other phone nearby and plugged into power. I mean, this thing has a nice battery, but this one, it's at 69% battery health. Okay, let's go ahead and hit continue. Setting up your Apple ID. This should be... Stop moving around everywhere. Calm down. It just did a face reveal. Just kidding. That's just my memoji, and I actually look nothing like that, to be honest. I literally just chose that because I felt like it looked kind of good. Okay, continue. Keep your iPhone up to date. Apple Pay with Visa. Let's set that up later. I am too young to have a credit card. That would be illegal. Well, there we go. It's, transferring data. So I will be back with you guys after that is completed. So yeah, guys, it's completed now. The other phone restarted. And so now we can go ahead and pull this up. Just a second. Lock it. There we go. So yeah, guys, it's pretty much completed now. Now all I have to do is reinstall everything and maybe re-jailbreak to add my modding back. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay safe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.